So today's video is on this look and I'm kind of liking it like a lot. I love the glossy lips. I love the pop of color. I actually like the dark waterline. I haven't done this in so long. I have a mirror over here so I can look at myself and talk about my look, because the mirror that I usually have right here is on the floor because I put it down there and I'm too lazy to just grab it and pick it up. But yes, I love this look so much. It is like, I've never done a spotlight halo before, and yeah, basically I really like this look. So before we jump right into this video, be sure to subscribe at the button down below because it's free and it will take you 2 seconds to do, and it will help me out a lot and help me help you. If you have a YouTube channel, tell me down below that you have a YouTube channel and I'll subscribe to you too. So let's get into this video. So first we're gonna go into the Z palette of single shadows that I have and I put together, and we are going to go into Morphe's single shadow in birthday suit, and we're just going to be taking that on a Sigma E35. Next we're just going to go in with ColourPop's Paper Tiger just to warm up the crease a little bit. Next we're going to be going into Morphe's Spice and Morphe's Flame single shadow and mixing those together and creating a halo. For this we're using a Sigma E45. And I'm just going a little bit above my natural crease in the center. Next, I'm going to go in with some concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium. And I'm just going to pop that on the center of my lid. Look up, and then it marks out a spot where I need to cut the crease. And then I'm going to take the excess away with my finger, just so we don't get cakey on our lids. And then I'm just going to take this little Real Technique sponge with excess powder on it and set that concealer. And with a wet brush we're going to go into this Pop Beauty Sunshine Pop Portfolio palette, and we're just going to take this icy blue shade and put that right in where we cut that crease. And then we're just going to take that darker blue that's underneath it and put it right into the crease as well, just to brighten that blue up. And then we're going to take Naked Tutorials and Ofra's collaboration Everglow and put that lighter icy shade all over the lid, and I'm going to put it in a like an upside down triangle, so we have that spotlight effect going up the eye. And then with the highlighter that I'm using the mirror for, this is Galani Cosmetics Celestial Skin Luminizing Powder, and this is the shade Tease. It looks really tan, but it's actually really like icy and white. I'm just going to take a little bit of that and intensify the direct center of my lid. And next I'm going to go on back in with Flame on that Sigma E45 and just blend the edges of this spotlight and make it more true to shape, and to blend those colors together. And then we're going to take ColourPop's Cloud 9 and darken the inner and outer corner of the eye. And for this I'm using a Sigma E39. And then all we gotta do is pop on some lashes and mascara. For mascara I'm using the Rimmel Scandalized Mascara, and for lashes I'm just gonna be using these Demi Wispy Double Up Ardell lashes. And I'm gonna pop this on, go get me and my best friend some food, spend a little time with her, and then I'll be back to show you how I finish the rest of my face. Okay you guys, so I'm back. I'm full and I'm cold because this jacket's just gonna have to stay on for just a little bit longer because my house is warming back up for me being gone. So my skin has broken out very, very badly and it's very dry. I think it's because of the weather, I think it's because of my allergies, I think it's because it's that time of the month, so my skin's just going absolutely insane. So we're just gonna try to do as much as possible with it. So first we're going to go in with the Burberry liquid fluid base in the shade Nude Radiance. Just looks like this, and I'm just gonna I'm gonna put this on my cheeks more so than anywhere else because my cheeks are really, really dry, and I just like took like a half a pump, then another half of a pump, not too much, and some on my forehead just because my skin's like super dry. Let's use this because I really want to tell you guys about it. This is the Professional Matte Rescue Primer, and this is the mini one I believe, but it's an invisible finish mattifying primer that fills your pores, and I really like this. It really controlled my oil, and this is the consistency is way different than the regular Professional. Don't focus on my face. There we go. But oh, it's still focusing on my face. But yeah, I really like this a lot better than the Professional, and the Professional is pretty good. But I really use this around my nose and in between my eyebrows because I get so oily there. So yeah, I try to keep you guys updated with how my skin's acting. And right now it's dry, it's oily sometimes, but it's really dry and it's broken out a lot. I'm not even gonna front, like how broken out my skin is. Okay, I'm getting hot. Is ridiculous because I've never had breakouts like this in a long time. Then we're going to be using, for just an extra amount of glow, the Buxom Divine Goddess Luminizer in the shade Venus. I love this stuff. I usually mix this into my foundation, but today we're just going to put it on the high points of my cheeks and a little bit on my nose. And we're just gonna blend that out with this generic damp sponge. My mom got me these from I think TJ Maxx or something, but she only got it because it was the Eiffel Tower packaging, and it was like, but these actually remind me of the Face Smoothie by Mayron, so I actually do like these. They came in a pack of 3. We're just gonna put that where we want to glow. For foundation, we're just gonna be using the Milani Conceal and Perfect in shade 6. And I'm just going to put a few pumps all over my face. I'm really not as careful. I'm not going anywhere after this, so I'm really not as careful with my foundation, to be just real with you guys, as I am when I'm actually going somewhere. You can probably tell a difference in, like, from a get ready with me. I'm like, I always make sure my makeup's going to last a long time in those videos. And that's, like, honestly my real kind of foundation routine. But I need to do a new updated foundation routine. I should not have used this brush because I'm allergic to it, but I just love this brush so much. Like, it really irritates my skin. Leave a comment down below of what concealers you recommend, please. Thank you. But I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in medium and putting this under my eyes. And I'm just gonna take some of this Fixie Mist. This little, this is one of those mini Real Technique sponges, and I'm just going to, you know, with my big mirror, Just gonna use some of this Rimmel Instant Fix and Matte powder. It's just translucent, and I'm gonna set under my eyes. And everywhere I put that concealer. Okay, so for the under eye, I took just this shade right here from this Pop Beauty palette. This shade right here, it's like a coppery kind of shade. And I just popped it on the lower lash line and just smoked it out a little bit with the Sigma. If I can find it. Come on, Micaylah, where's the brush at? Sigma E20, just a little shader brush. Then since I always do a nude or colored liner, I decided to do something a little bit darker and go in with this Skin from Dimitri James Luxe Waterproof Eyeliner in Navy Seal. It's just a navy blue color. And just popping this on my lower lash line, lower waterline, excuse me. Then for our brow and inner corner highlight, I just took the medium shade from the Everglow highlighter from Nikita Tutorials and Ofra with this Sigma E36 brush, which is really good for highlighting the inner corner and everything. Okie dokie, and then for bronzer, we're gonna go back to oldie but a goodie. The Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer in the shade Medium Deep. This is the matte bronzer. I'm just gonna bronze and kind of contour with it. My nose is bothering me, you guys. I'm sorry. It's cold weather. I just got back inside. For blush, we're gonna go in with Pixie Blush Duo in Rose Gold. And I'm just gonna mix both of these colors together to give me like a very glowy blush. I'm gonna use this Sleek Solstice highlight palette, and we're gonna dig into this shade right here. It's kind of a tan color, but it kind of comes off kind of purpley. We're just gonna pat it on. You see how it comes out purple? I swear it comes out purple to me. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but it comes out purple. Still beautiful though. Does not take away from that. For lips, I'm going to go in with this Powder on Point lip liner in Rizzy Rosette from Pop Beauty, and I don't know if you can see that color. It's just like a very, very dark mauve. These are like one of my favorite lip liners because the shape of it makes it so easy, and they're very creamy but not too creamy. And they don't dry out my lips. And then we're taking this mini Mudslide full-on lip cream from, oop, I hit myself in the face, from Buxom, and popping that right on because I did do a poll on my Instagram and you guys wanted a glossy lip, so here goes nothing. And I kind of like these. This is a really pretty color. Okay guys, I know I'm in a sweater. I know. It says straight out of bed too, so yeah, see, look. Straight out of bed. So yeah, I know I'm looking a little rough and my hair is up and I'm just not giving up. But, you know, had to pull together a look for you guys, so I hope you like this look. It's very different from what I do, and that's what I want. In 2018, I want something different. I want to go all out. I want to do what you guys want. And yeah, so if you want to see more videos like this, to where I step out of the box and do like very dimensional glossy lips, lashes, glowy skin makeup, just let me know in the comments down below what colors, what finishes, what brands you want to see, and I will definitely do it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe at the button down below because it's free and it takes 2 seconds. And if you have a YouTube channel, just let me know down below in the comments and I'll subscribe to you too. And I will see you in my next video.